My name is Forsong. I dey work for an NGO wey be based for Boya. The name for the NGO na Environmental and Rural Development Foundation. In abbreviation, we dey call am say ERUDEF. ERUDEF don get a project wey for all these islands and 8 villages we don highlight 8 villages wey we don work with them for a period of 25 years for inside this island. So we no come for go. It go take we time before we go come go. So as we dey start for 25 years, na we need all kind category of people, even to the least small pikin, because for the next 25 years, now dem go sit down for this chair, dem go dey take decision dem for we now so. And we need to eliminate women among the people that we need them. We even need strangers because strangers get a difficulty for inside the land where the hot pass you where you stay for inside this land. So the message where we come with now for see how far we feel better human being in life, because for our organization it there for save the rainforest, for conserve species, and for impact lives. When I know that's where they call and say climate change. Who know? Okay. Climate change. Now that sudden change for inside the world, where the world don't cry for how they feel change. And climate change is be caused by the inhuman activities for inside the society. When I hear flooding, anytime from now, how is it kill now? Now climate change cause them. And who them make that climate change start? Now we human beings them. We dey get cholera here and there now, so malaria don't increase, typhoid don't increase, pollution don't increase, sun it don't increase when it shine for we. Now wait till the cause am, na climate change, and it get a long immediate impact on the society. And considering the fact say we there for the island zones there, now why that one can't do that sensitization for climate change and for see how far we work together for fight against this bad effect of climate change for change our situation. Even the plant wey we dey use am for bush, it don't change. The number of bees wey we dey get am, it don't reduce. The number of fish wey we feed for catch am for water, it don't reduce. Even the season now, it don't change. You don't know rainy season again, you don't know dry season again. Even inside October, inside November, rain dey fall wey you need to accept and say na rain that is supposed to fall. Yeah, since you have one way you know see if you go catch fish or the more you make everybody, you go water, you know go see fish. But for time once you don't rest, that fish don't come as you don't miss them. All this effect na the effect of climate change and it affect we human beings. So we for the island zone there will be very much at risk with the influence of flood. One day they will flood come. When it cause flood, now because of high sun, we don't increase temperature. Ice the way they will be back 1,000 years ago, they don't be starting melt. So the level of the sea it don't increase. So you see who they be at the risk. We dey at the sea level, but our environment just be directly at the sea level. So now here we don't already start cause flood of other white man countries, and we say more join our forces together for see how far we avoid this thing for our side. So because of that now, we take out for see how far we be increase protect our plants them, we be protect our animals them, because plant them now the number one thing way is try to reduce the intensity of sunshine for reach human body. And I plant them, now that plant them, it try to absorb this bad air with the breather, where the spread is where they put carbon dioxide for absorb that particular thing. First of all, even the Bible talk inside the book of Genesis, say God dey create the world freely and He give them for human beings. We human beings, we dey for destroy that world or we dey for fix am. Then for activities inside the world, you don't destroy that nature where God create them for we freely. Same way we use them accordingly. So we take out to see how far we protect that nature, so that we appreciate the work of God upon us. We take out to increase our long life, so that we will live to see our children and to nurture our being and make it grow. So at their age, if you want to destroy, you know see your beginning of well. The lifespan is not already reduced. People they die for 70, 80, 90, 100. The year nowadays, because of the system, we have bad work for inside the society. They don't make and we don't start to die at the age of 50. You have to see 50 marks, you don't hold state, you want to see in pictures of them and say like 70 years. So we there to fight other things. So our mission say, now how we will fight that thing? Or protect mangroves there for forest, for give am make we get plant here for our side, plant flowers for our side. Human being not be do that one where it not be help in one way or the other. Now why that we come with another strategy say we will do our own small bed so that when we work together we will make that bed to grow for a higher height. Now that we don't come with the idea of the solar system. This solar system now say we will light up few homes there. The person you already get solar for your house, you know will benefit because at least you don't already